Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Engineer Darwin and I make tutorial videos about math, science, and engineering. Hopefully this video will help you na magkaroon ng magandang foundation and basics in these subjects na i-discuss ko sa mga susunod kong video. Ngayon pag-usapan natin yung tinatawag na trigonometric functions. So yung trigonometric functions, galing siya sa tinatawag nating right triangle na may isang angle na measure niya is 90 degree. Okay, so drawing tayo ng reference angle. Basta dito sa symbol na to is theta. And tinatawag siyang reference angle. So tatlo yung sides natin ng right triangle. Yung side na malapit sa reference angle natin, ito yung tinatawag na adjacent side. And then, yung nasa kabilang side naman, tinatawag nila itong opposite. Itong pinakamahabang side ng ating right triangle is hypotenuse. Meron tayong 6 na trigonometric function based sa ratio ng tatlong sides na to. So, i-define natin sila lahat. Unahin natin yung tinatawag na sine function or SIN. So, pag meron kang reference angle and then you get the sine of that particular angle, ang meaning nito is this is the, so lagyan natin itong adjacent, lagyan natin yung opposite, and hypotenuse. So, ang opposite side natin, ito yung sa kabilang side ng triangle, ng reference angle, opposite over hypotenuse. Meron din tayong tinatawag na cosine function, cosine or COS. Cosine theta is equal to the ratio of adjacent side over hypotenuse. And then we have what you call the tangent or TAN, tan. Ito yung ratio ng opposite side and adjacent side. So may ako rin tayo na pwedeng tandaan dito sa ratio na to para mas natin siya matandaan. So, katoa. So, ibig sabihin nito, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is the ratio of opposite over adjacent. So, ito yung unang tatlong ratio natin. Ngayon, yung mga susunod naman, yung last 3 is just the reciprocal of the first 3 functions. So, ibig sabihin nito, sine function or sine, meron siyang reciprocal na tinatawag natin cosecant. Yan. So, cosecant or CSC. Theta. Ang opposite naman or reciprocal ng cosine is secant, which is SEC. And cotangent for the reciprocal of tangent function. So kung reciprocal siya, meaning sa sine function natin kanina, opposite over hypotenuse, ito naman ay hypotenuse over opposite. Yan. Second naman is hypotenuse over adjacent. And sa cotangent natin, that is adjacent over opposite. Ngayon sa una, medyo malilito tayo dyan, pero later on, mas matatandaan nyo itong mga trigonometric functions natin pag in-apply natin siya sa isang problem. So, para mas madali natin siyang ma-appreciate, ito yung problem natin na pwede natin gamitin yung mga trigonometric functions that we introduced a while ago. So, in this given problem, meron tayong right triangle na may mga sides na 5, 12, and 13. Hanapin daw natin yung 6 trigonometric ratios or functions, which is yung sine, cosine, tangent, then yung mga opposite or reciprocal function niya is cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Theta. Okay, the question is, nasan yung reference angle? So, lagay tayo ng reference angle dito. Then, identify muna natin yung mga sides. Ngayon, yung side na malapit sa reference angle mo, ito yung tinatawag na adjacent side. This is your opposite side. And then, ito yung hypotenuse. So, madali natin makukuha yung mga ratio or answers dito sa ating hinahanap. Unahin natin yung sine. So katuha, tandaan nyo siya. Opposite over hypotenuse. So, that is 5 over 13. So, yeah, that's it for the sine function. For cosine function naman, that's your adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 12 over 13. Okay. For tangent, that's opposite over adjacent, that is 5 over 12. Ngayon, since ang hinahanap na natin is mga reciprocal function, ito nung naunang answer natin. So, ang pinakamabilis na way is just to get the reciprocal of the values we obtained a while ago. So, pwede mong gawin is 13 over 5, or kung alam mo yung definition ng cosecant na hypotenuse over opposite, pwede mo rin siyang gawin. Ngayon din sa cosine, this is just simply 13 over 12. And last but not the least, ayan, 12 over 5. So, that's it. Ito yung nakuha na natin yung mga 6 trigonometric functions in a given triangle that we had in this problem. And hopefully, natandaan nyo yung mga 6 trigonometric functions natin for today. Hindi natin siya isulat for our future reference. So this is opposite side over hypotenuse, adjacent over hypotenuse, opposite over adjacent, and then yung mga reciprocal function, this is cosecant, secant, and cotangent. which is defined as hypotenuse over opposite. For secant, that's hypotenuse over adjacent. And last but not least, yan. So, hopefully may natutunan kayo for this video. And if you haven't liked and subscribed this channel, please do so. Thank you for your support, and see you on the next tutorial video.